In all of creation, in this world of duality, everything boils down to two states: love or fear. All emotions, all thoughts, all behaviors, all actions arise from these two states. Anger, jealousy, resentment, hatred, these are all manifestations of fear. Joy, bliss, compassion, all manifestations of love. At every moment, we're being given the option to choose love or to choose fear. So let's take an example. Two trees, and they're both saplings, very young. One tree is the tree of love, and the other tree is the tree of fear. And every activity we do, every thought we have, every emotion that goes through our being, we can either choose to have that emotion, that thought be love-based, and in so doing, we water that tree of love, that sapling of love, or choose to have fear-based, resentment, jealousy. And so watering one, let's say the tree of love, over time, we watch that tree as it grows and grows taller, eventually bearing fruit, while the tree of fear gets smaller, weaker, and eventually dies. At every moment, we're being given this opportunity to make that choice, love or fear.
And it may seem like that's too simple, right? That everything we experience is a manifestation of love or of fear. But what that really gives us access to is a way of living powerfully. So many things happen in our lives. We work, we have relationships, we live our very busy lives, and it seems very complex. But when we're able to look at everything and distill it down to an experience of love or of fear, what we find is that we have access to that choice. And another way of looking at the difference in our life experience between love and fear is to look at whether we feel expanded or contracted. And expansion is love. Contraction is fear. They're one and the same. I've found personally in my life, when I ask myself that question, whether it's at work or in a relationship, if I ask myself, okay, there's a lot going on right now, but if I look at, am I expanded or contracted in this relationship? The answer is always clear. There's never any confusion. It's always right there. Am I expanded or contracted? And once I have that awareness, that gives me access to making a choice of what I'm going to do next. Am I going to choose to continue down that road, watering that tree of fear and contraction? Or am I going to choose another way of expansion and love? Because who we are at our core, fundamentally, is that we are love. Pure love at our essence. And this practice is a way of re-accessing that, of tapping in to that place of who we really are. Because anything that we experience in our lives of contraction and of fear is not our true nature. And as we continue to move in and to support and to expand our true nature, it becomes easier to live in that place all the time.
And so let us take a moment to imagine what life would look like if we made that choice consciously to step into a place of expansion, a place of love, at every single moment in our life, with every event, with every conversation, with every engagement, appointment, activity that we do. We constantly make that choice. Love, love, love. Expansion. Let us imagine what it would look like to have our lives be in that unending place of expansion. And what would it look like if the world as a whole was in that place, if every human being was constantly making that choice to live from a place of love in that expansion? in that place of global enlightenment.